You should.
I trust that thing. I have to really.
I think they.
But it has these settings, like.
Oh, really?
Put a snow.
Look at these wires right here. Hey, look at these wires.
See, like you put it in this.
Yeah.
Had it on that earlier.
Total destruct. Oh, post it on YouTube.
Do you know about West Coast?
West Coast can't handle this.
There's a week over there.
I'm crying right now.
What am I gonna do? It's raining out.
One inch of snow closed down the state. Holy crap.
There's a lot more.
It's actually a pretty good video.
The lighting's perfect. Yeah, this morning sucked. It's like dark out.
What does that sign say? What does it say?
These ones, they scare me. I'm always like looking at where the
yeah.
break point is. I'm like, is that alright?
and you go by and just the snow falls off, but you freak out. Oh, there's a bridge, the bridge!
Okay.
Damn, look at all these trees.
Actually, you know what? We can't go down all the way down like we normally by the golf course.
Yeah.
That road's closed.
So
we have
you
to go around like the way I went.
At least you can get around with this thing, man. My car, I'd just be stuck at home. I was thinking about getting my snow tires. I was like, oh no, it's ridiculous. I don't want to like waste them or whatever.
Waste them?
Not waste them, but like.
Alright, are you guys okay? And me?
Ooh, the Land Row.
You got an avalanche. You guys okay? Avalanche. Cover the avalanche.
Oh.
This wire.
Oh shoot! Look at this wire. Watch out.
Charge my phone real quick.
There's a wire. More wires. Damn! Look at those wires over there.
Heavy ass trees like that one. I'm like, oh.
Kind of scary. Dude, I don't think we're gonna be back for a week. Like, for real.
This is worse.
Dude, look at this. This is ridiculous.
That sucks. How am I gonna? I mean, luckily, I don't have work tomorrow.
I could call out tomorrow.
I got mad time.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going. I don't got time.
Little old guy. You getting around in a car? That's rear-wheel drive too. Man.
That sucks. Some of these houses, they're lucky. They're like near misses. And
Yeah, there's probably.
that was right on the truck.
I want to check my house, man. I have huge trees around me.
Cross my fingers now. They are.
Holy crap! Look at this destruction. Total destruction.
A feeling of impending doom. This is where you'll see some.
Yeah.
Left here. Like this.
Look at that tree.
I'll go down here and it'll be closed.
Holy crap! That house is lucky.
Want to see a tree, like in the road tree?
Look at this wire right here. We're gonna run it over.
Yeah, I ran it over.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, we're safe in the car though. Wire in the road.
We get out and
Oh, that these cars messed up. I missed it. Branches on these cars. Oh my god, it's horrible. Oh.
I should take a picture of it and be like, just pretend it's my house. I can't get out of my driveway. How am I making this work?
Whoa.
Walking a dog.
No.
I need a dog. Something to do. That's what I need. See that suit that guy's wearing?
Yeah, Carhartt, for real.
Yeah. Take it easy, big ol'.
Oh, these people's cars are messed up. Sorry. Damn it.
Hiding.
See me. It's crazy.
Wait till we watch what you see what we go through.
All these wires, I swear.
This will probably like kill me.
Look at this tree.
Yeah, this one scared the shit out of me. I was like, this is gonna break.
It's gonna break on us.
Winter Wonderland.
For Halloween.
See?
Oh, how do we get past that?
I didn't miss the road. You can take this road right now.
Oh, we gotta go around?
Yeah.
Damn it.
People are turning around when they don't know they can just bang them right here. Or left there, see?
Yeah.
Everyone was turning around. I'm like, you guys could like go around. There's a road right here.
This is crazy.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Let's keep on driving. I don't get whatever.
Yeah, it's funny. There was one guy shoveling his driveway like that, and then everyone else was snow blowing. And I was like, I want to invest in one of those. I want to invest in one of those.
Yeah, for real. You know what?
Before a generator.
I don't think the quad is going to be able to do too much. Well, it will, but
I'll put money in. I'll put money there. Hey, take a deep seat. You Filipino?
hey,
You Filipino?
hello.
Rosie O'Donnell. She's back on TV. She's got the Rosie Show.
Frank.
Taking a kick at Starbucks.
Doggy.
I'll take my dog out.
Nicki Minaj on the way too.
Hello. You're on video.
Eating secrets with you here if you're looking to start up your own business. LegalZoom will help your company succeed by cutting startup costs. Why spend
Man.
when you get quiet?
There's one that's even worse. Actually, no, down in Needle Warfare, they made a, people were kept going like off-road.
Yeah.
Starting at only $99. You can also
There's a bunch of people driving. Oh man, this is crazy.
It's not a law firm. It's a step-by-step process created by a team of experts in law and technology to provide self-help
You can come
services
through,
or
but
direction.
where are you
And
gonna
if
go?
you're listening now, you can save some dough.
'Cause you gotta come in
Enter
here.
AT40 in the referral box at checkout. The process is super fast and easy, and all their products come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's why 94% of LegalZoom customers would recommend their services to friends and
Who
family.
got the keys to the Jeep?
Your dream business
Oh.
and enter AT40
Hello, people.
in the referral box at checkout.
Everyone's talking about their trees.
What are we gonna do?
I got no power.
Power?
I can't even fill up my bathtub. I can't flush
This guy was shoveling.
Oh, really?
Good.
Damn, look at these power lines everywhere. Yeah, I wanna, man, I don't have power. We don't have power for me to like, I want to edit this and